Hi everyone and welcome to the School of Statistics. Today our professor S has come up with an interesting topic, and that is averages and its types. Averages is also known as measures of center tendency and measures of location. So if in any question you find that it is written that find the measures of center tendency or measures of location, that means you have to find the averages in this question. So no need to confuse yourself, okay? Let's see the types of averages. So the types of averages are arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean, median, and mode. And here I want to clear your one doubt, that if it is written that find the measures of center tendency instead of averages, so you should make sure that you have to find all these types of averages: arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean, median, and mode. You have to find all these averages in that question. If it is not clear that find the geometric mean, find the harmonic mean, then you have to find only the geometric or harmonic mean. But if it is written that find the measures of location or measures of center tendency, then you have to find all these averages. Okay, so let's see what arithmetic means formula is. So basically arithmetic means have more than one two formulas. So let's start with the ungrouped data. So for ungrouped data, we have x bar is equals to summation x and over summation n. So how to x, what is x bar? X bar is actually the a symbol to represent a arithmetic mean. If you see any x bar in any question, so you should understand that it is arithmetic mean. So to symbolically write arithmetic mean, we use x bar. So let's see a summation x is the x will be the particular values given in the question, and what is n is the total number of values, total number of values. Okay, so for the group data, we have x bar is equal to summation fx over summation f. Now here you can see that the addition of f is here. What is f? F is the frequency distribution, and over summation f. So for the frequency distribution, we have to make, or we have to develop a frequency distribution table. So if you don't know what is ungrouped data and grouped data, so you can go and watch my previous video. I have made full conceptual video on these two types of data, and I have also made the video on frequency distribution. If you don't know what's frequency distribution, if you are fresher or if you are new to statistics. So let's move further. Let's see how to calculate x bar, that is arithmetic mean, for the ungrouped data. So for how we know that this data is ungrouped, it's very easy by reading it. The annual income of 8 families are this, and find the arithmetic mean. You can see here you have to find the arithmetic mean, not the geometric mean, not harmonic mean, not median or mode. And so from these values you can recognize that this is the ungrouped data. Okay, from these values we can recognize that this is the ungrouped data. So simply write the values in formula, that is x bar is equals to this, and you have to add these formulas. And how you know that you have to add this formula? Because of this summation. Summation means addition, and if you don't know what summation, if your concepts are unclear, go and watch my previous video on summation, so you will understand it. Okay, it's very easy. It's just an addition. It's just to add up the things. So add all the x values of x are these are the values of x. You have to add all the values and divide it by 8. Where 8 comes from? 8 is the total number of values. You can also count it: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 is the total number of values given in the question. So you just have to add and divide it by 8, and you will get the arithmetic mean. So what is the arithmetic mean comes? It's 10,000 rupees. So this is very easy. So I want to also tell you that there will be another type of question that might come in your exams for solving arithmetic mean for ungrouped data. So let's see that question. Okay, from here you can see that this question make you puzzle. So let's start it. For the set of 15 observations, the mean came out to be 18.2. So later on, checking, it was discovered that the observation 19.7 was incorrect. Okay, was incorrect. So what they do, the correct value was 17.9. So calculate the correct mean from this information. So there is a lot of information going on, so avoid the any mishap or any confusion. Just underline the things that I have done, so you can point out the main things. Okay, so there is a set of 15 observation, that means this is n, it's basically the n. Okay, so the mean came out to be 18.2, that means this is the mean. Okay, this is the mean. We have to symbolically write it as x bar. So later on what happened is, checking, it was discovered that the observation 19.7 was incorrect. So the observation the came out to be the 19.7, which was incorrect. The correct value was this, so the calculate correct mean from this information. So what we will do first, we will write all the given information that we have written. Okay, now write the formula that we have to use for the ungrouped data. You can see this is ungrouped data because frequency is not given. So what we will do, this is very easy to understand. Look carefully what we have done. We have to find the summation x. We have to find summation x because observations are not given. See, x bar is given. See, you have seen x bar is given. Okay, let me complete this. Okay, so x bar is given and n is given, so we have to find summation x. We have I have explained this lines to you, so you have to understand from these lines, this question, that what is given and what is not. So it is clearly we can clearly see that, okay, what is given and what is not. Okay, so let's move further. Now we have to find summation x. What we will do, it's just a simple mathematical rule. If we have to find something, that thing that have to be alone, left alone, okay, in front of the equation marks, equation symbol, equal symbol. Okay, so summation x is here, n is here, is dividing. What n is here? N is dividing by summation x. So what we will do, if we take n to this side of equal sign, it will change into multiplication. Simple mathematical rule. The thing that is dividing the other side of the equal sign, it will multiply to the if we take that thing to the other sides. Okay, so what simply is done, we have taken to this side and it will multiply by the x bar. So the summation x is here alone, so now we can find this very easily. So this you can see what is 18.2. 18.2 is the value of x bar, and we just simply put the value in the place of x bar and place the value in the place of n, which is the total number of observations. And okay, now multiply it and we will get the answer of summation x is equal to 273.0. so this is the tricky part. We have to just don't get confused when this type of question comes. Just focus on the question and you will get your answer within the question. Okay, but our question is not finished because the question was calculate the correct mean from this information. We are collecting the correct mean, so we get the correct mean, but you can see that there is an incorrect. So we have to you have to solve this puzzle also. So what we will do, just use this summation x corrected, like this is the correct value. Okay, so equals to summation x plus करेक्ट वैल्यू हमारे पास समेशन x है और हमारे पास करेक्ट वैल्यू है, हम इन दोनों को प्लस करेंगे एंड वी विल माइनस द इनकरेक्ट वैल्यू फ्रॉम इट. जब हम इनकरेक्ट वैल्यू इसमें से माइनस करेंगे तो वी विल गेट द करेक्ट मीन. सो वो कह रहे हैं कि आपने करेक्ट मीन फाइंड करना है. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, हम क्या करेंगे, वी विल use this formula to find the correct mean. So we will get the correct mean from the information while just putting, we have just put the values. Summation x we have find to 73.0 plus 17.9 from correct value and minus 19.7. Here it is, in the question it is given the incorrect value, so we just put the incorrect value and we have find the answer. Here we have used the mass rule. First you have to add up and then you have to subtract it. Okay, so we have find the correct mean from this information, and which is 18.08. okay, let's move further. Now we will find the group data arithmetic mean for group data. Okay, okay, there is a mistake in this slide. It's not ungrouped data, it's for group data. Okay, so just ignore that. This slide, it's just a mistake in this the group in this slide, so it's not ungrouped data, it's for group data. So okay, for group data, you can see the question that given is you can see the frequency. Okay, when the frequency is given and marks is given, this type of table is given, it's so easy that you have to find the arithmetic mean for group data. Okay, so here you can see that 50 students, okay, in English at a certain examination. So find the arithmetic mean for the following distribution. Okay, let's find. So for this we have to make the frequency distribution table, and if you don't know how to compute that table, how to compute class mark, how to compute fx, please go and watch my previous video. There I have explained thoroughly how to calculate class mark. Okay, so basically class marks are also called midpoint. Okay, now what we have done, we have just write this table into vertical form. Okay, this is written in horizontal form. So you have write this in vertical form. Now you have add all the frequencies given and you have get 50, and it is also mentioned here. Okay, so this is summation f. This is summation f. Summation is we have add all these values. Summation means add all the values, and we have get 50. So class mark is the midpoint and it comes 22. So let me give you one example how 22 come. So here you can see 20 plus 24 and divided by 2. So we get first class mark, that is 22. So same the procedure following, we have get 27, that is 25 plus 29 over 25 plus 29 over 2, and we will get 27, and like this we have get all the values. So what we have to do, we have to find fx. So please remember that we have to find x also, we have to find f also in frequency distribution. Sometimes x is given but sometimes it is not given. Okay, so we have to compute x, which is the class marks or class numbers or whatever you can say. X is basically the values. Okay, and it is the midpoint. So now find fx. How fx is generated? See, 22 into 1 we get 22, like 22 ones are 22. So 27 fours are, we have to multiply these two values, so we will get 108. So we have to multiply these two, f and x. Okay, and we will get 256. Like this we have generated this column, and this is f into x, f into x. Fx is basically means f multiplied by x. Okay, so this is also a mathematical equation. So, and if we add all these values, we will get 1950, which is the summation fx. Now you should understand what summation means. It means addition, simple. You have to add up all. So we have these, we have add these values, and we have get the fx, which is 1950. Just put all the values in the formula and you will get x bar. What is x bar? X bar is arithmetic mean for the group data, okay, for the group data in. And what is the formula for group data? There is a summation f in it and summation fx. Okay, so when the f is there, frequency distribution table is there, and you have to find the arithmetic mean. So it's clear that the formula will be used is x bar is equal to summation fx over summation f. You have to generate a full frequency distribution table. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, share and like.